A program that helps students bridge the gap between learning and business will hold its first competition in Greater Boston. Known as BUILD, the program helps disengaged students from low-income families keep on the learning track. That means going on to college and then to careers. Joining us from BUILD Greater Boston is the Director of Corporate Partnerships, Richard Gavalia. Thank you very much for being with us, Richard.
Thanks for having me.
I know this competition is coming up on June 2nd, but the students in the competition, they've been working on their projects for quite a while, right?
Oh, certainly, yes. This Saturday is our biggest event of the year. It's the Youth Business Plan Competition, in which students from the 4 schools in which BUILD is active, 4 Boston Public Schools, have been working on their business plans effectively all year long. The first year of our program we call Entrepreneurship 1, so we've been teaching them about entrepreneurship and helping them start real businesses. And as part of that process, they need to write a business plan. So on Saturday, it's effectively them displaying what they've done all year long, and they'll be competing against the other BUILD students from the other 3 schools.
So what happens to the winners?
So the winners will actually be receiving cash prizes. There's 4 cash prizes in varying amounts, with the highest one being $1,500. The cash will be distributed equally amongst the business student company, and there's 3 to 5 students within each business team.
When somebody wins a contest like this, what do they end up doing? I mean, aside from getting the money, do they actually develop the plan, advance it in some way?
Sure. So BUILD uses entrepreneurship to excite and motivate students to be more interested in doing well in school and to help them get back on track academically, graduate from high school, and to attend college. And as I said, we're a 4-year program, and this is really just the first year. So next year, these businesses will actually get funded. The business teams will pitch venture capitalists, and each business will get funded. There's a lot of guidance and mentorship with respect to the businesses that are funded, and we want to make sure that it's a viable entity. Things need to be produced in reality. So from in 2nd and 3rd year and 4th year, the businesses will continue. The focus of our program, however, changes and shifts from the business to academic. The first year is the biggest emphasis on the business, and then gradually as we go through the 4 years of high school, the shift turns to academics.
How do the students actually get into this program? Do they just seek it out themselves, or do you sort of look for the students?
I'm glad you asked that question. One of the things that's unique about BUILD is that we actively target and matriculate most or many of the students that are most likely to drop out of high school. As you're aware, there's somewhat of an epidemic across the nation. 7,200 students across the nation drop out every day, drop out of high school. So BUILD targets the public schools with the highest dropout rates. For example, Jeremiah E. Burke has a dropout rate of approximately 65%. So we'll go into that school. We're also in another course to college. We're in CASH, or Community Academy of Science and Health, and we're also in Charlestown. So we'll go into one of these schools and we'll collaborate with the headmaster and the administration who receive us, and we will host a meeting, an introductory meeting at the beginning of school, where students will express their interest. And in some cases, students that are extremely apathetic about school, and yet the headmasters and administrators know that they're really underperforming, they will actually, in effect, be encouraged or corralled to sit in on the class and even take the class. And it's in most cases, it's a matter of time before they begin to get interested in the business curriculum, which turns out is really fun. And the mentors that also participate really make a big impact on these students in terms of demonstrating that they're using their time to help them.
I've heard of students who've dropped out of school maybe feeling it was irrelevant to their real life, and once they're out and they might be working instead of going to school, their self-esteem goes up. So, I mean, what's going on with these students?
Well, I'm sure that there are cases like that, but in many cases, perhaps most, a lot of these kids that drop out, they really don't have a good track. I mean, if you think about the type of educational foundation that of the students that we're working with, they, in many cases, if not most, they come from families and parents that may be doing the best job that they can, however, lack the college experience and lack the know-how of how to guide these students to an academic educational path that will equip them with a solid educational foundation. Not to say that you can't make it without an education, but in most cases that's very important. So really our goal, the business focus, is really the hook to get them interested in doing well in school, and to show them that school is applicable in the cases of business, math, English, for example, but the real goal is to get them equipped for college success and to get them accepted into college. 90% of the Build students that stay with the complete 4 years of the Build program get accepted into 4-year college institutions.
And tell me a little bit about the event that's going to be happening on June 2nd.
So on June 2nd, it's the inaugural Build Boston Youth Business Plan Competition. So approximately 100 students from the 4 schools in which we're in, again, Cash, or Community Academy of Science and Health, Charlestown, another course to college, and Jeremiah E. Burke. Those students will be getting up on stage and presenting to hundreds of people in the audience and judges and their family members and business leaders from the community, and they'll be competing for 3 cash prizes: $1,500, $500, and $250. There's also a written business plan competition.
Thank you very much for being with us.
Thank you for having me.
From Build Greater Boston, that was Richard Gavalia.